Get ready with me to go to a lunch meeting. I woke up in the mood to wear my denim maxi skirt today. I honestly don't understand Texas weather. It's supposed to be 80 degrees today, but I'm still not over like winter fashion, so I'm just gonna wear what I want to wear. I've been tucking my turtlenecks in instead of out lately, kind of like to make them mock neck. I'll be wearing my Sambas today. Okay, this is what we've got so far, but I'm gonna add a jacket, a bomber jacket from Zara. I wore this one over the weekend and I just love it, love. Now these earrings, not sure which bag I'm gonna wear yet, but I feel like taking this one from COS, which is actually like a crossbody, but I think I'm just gonna wear it like this. And then these YSL sunglasses, you guys, that I got this weekend in New York. I do not regret buying these one single bit. They are so good, so amazing. I love how huge they are. Okay, so this is the look, and I am off to lunch.